region is the home to several bird species. The presence of key biodiversity areas, such as the country's highest peak Mount Apo and the long coastline of Davao Gulf, which hosts frontage to valuable wetlands, serve as abode of endemic and migratory birds. Composed of 5 provinces and one highly urbanized city, intertwined by varied geographic features, the present environmental condition of Davao region relies mainly on the available avian species in the area. The Philippine eagle is the most iconic indicator species, which is believed to have been residing here more than anywhere else in the country. However, there are other significant species which could gauge on how Davao region is faring well in terms of the stability of its environment. Several near threatened and threatened species are spread all over the provinces, which become emblems of their dramatic existence. The present pandemic favors ecotourism and a new normal scenario not far from now. As we expect travelers to visit the countryside, the challenge for government leaders, other than health security, is on creating balance between tourism and environmental conservation. Bird watching or birding for some serious consideration should become basis for us to determine whether or not our fragile environment is doing well in the midst of heightening ecotourism activities.